What is the metaverse and how does it work? The metaverse. It's a term you've probably heard buzzing around in conversations about technology and the future. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Today, we'll dive into the concept of the metaverse, breaking it down into simple terms so anyone, no matter their tech knowledge, can understand. Let's explore how this emerging digital world might change the way we live, work, and connect. To understand the metaverse, imagine combining aspects of the internet, video games, and virtual reality into one big interactive digital universe. Think of it as a shared virtual world where you can not only view but exist digitally. Instead of merely scrolling through online content like web pages or videos, the metaverse allows people to immerse themselves within it using avatars, digital representations of themselves. It's more than just a static digital space. The metaverse is dynamic, persistent, and ever-evolving. Just as our physical world continues to grow and change, virtual spaces within the metaverse develop over time, shaped by the experiences and actions of the people who inhabit them. Many think of the metaverse as the future of the internet, a place where the boundary between the real and virtual worlds begins to blur. Here, you're not simply interacting with a web page or a 2D platform. You're stepping into an environment where you can meet friends, attend events, go shopping, and so much more, all without leaving your sofa. The idea of the metaverse isn't entirely new. The term was first coined in the 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash by Neil Stephenson. In the book, the metaverse was depicted as a massive virtual world where people used avatars to escape their harsh realities. Over time, technology began turning that fiction into reality. Early examples include online multiplayer games like World of Warcraft or social virtual worlds like Second Life. However, these were just stepping stones. Unlike traditional games with specific goals or boundaries, the metaverse aims to be a limitless virtual realm where people don't just play, but live digital aspects of their lives. To truly understand why the metaverse has so much potential, let's break down its key features. Avatars as digital twins. When you join the metaverse, you're represented by an avatar. This could be a realistic 3D model of yourself or an entirely imaginary creation, like a robot or a superhero. It's how you navigate and interact within the digital space. Shared virtual spaces. The metaverse isn't a private experience, it's a shared world where you engage with other people in real time. Whether attending a virtual concert or collaborating in a virtual workspace, it's all about human connection. Persistent worlds. What's unique about the metaverse is that it doesn't pause or reset when you log off. It evolves continually, incorporating the changes made by users to create a dynamic and consistently active environment. Bringing the concept of the metaverse to life isn't easy. It relies on several advanced technologies working together seamlessly. Here are the pillars of the metaverse. VR immerses users into completely digital worlds. By wearing headsets like the Meta Quest or PlayStation VR, users can experience 360-degree environments as if they're physically present within them. VR makes the metaverse feel as real as possible. While VR takes you fully into a digital world, Arkansas blends the physical with the digital. Think of apps like Pokemon Go, where digital objects interact with the real world through your screen. In the metaverse, Arkansas can add virtual layers to physical spaces, blurring the line between online and offline life. Blockchain is a backbone of the metaverse economy. This technology allows for secure ownership of digital assets, like virtual real estate, art, or clothing, using unique identifiers known as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It ensures transactions in this digital world are safe and transparent. The metaverse isn't just for tech enthusiasts or gamers. Its potential applications could touch various areas of daily life. Imagine attending work meetings where you and your colleagues sit around a virtual conference table, despite being in different countries. Platforms like Meta's Horizon Workrooms are already exploring how the metaverse can revolutionize remote work. The metaverse takes entertainment to a whole new level. Virtual concerts such as Travis Scott's event in Fortnite have brought millions of people together in shared immersive experiences. Gaming, already a cornerstone of the metaverse, is expected to grow to include open-ended worlds where users can shape narratives together. From virtual classrooms for students to hands-on simulations for professionals, the metaverse could transform learning. Medical students, for example, could practice surgeries in detailed virtual environments without the risks tied to real-life scenarios. The metaverse could offer virtual therapy environments where people interact with counselors in a more immersive way. Additionally, Arkansas-based tools are already being used in real-world surgeries, showcasing the potential for further innovation. Though the metaverse is still in its infancy, there are already functioning platforms showcasing its possibilities. Roblox and Fortnite. These gaming platforms serve as early examples of metaverse-like environments where millions of users build, explore, and socialize. Decentraland and the Sandbox. These are decentralized metaverse platforms that leverage blockchain technology to let users truly own virtual real estate and goods. Meta's Horizon Worlds. As one of the biggest players in VR, Meta, formerly Facebook, is creating a platform for social experiences within the metaverse. These platforms offer only a glimpse of what a fully realized metaverse could look like. Like any emerging technology, the metaverse faces its fair share of challenges. VR headsets and other hardware needed to access the metaverse can be expensive, creating a barrier for many. For it to succeed, companies will need to work toward making these tools more affordable. As people spend more time in the metaverse, their personal data becomes vulnerable. Questions arise about who owns the digital spaces we interact in and how our data will be monetized or protected. Can a digital world unintentionally isolate users from reality? There are valid concerns that over-reliance on the metaverse could lead to addiction or the loss of face-to-face connections. Policymakers and developers will need to address such risks carefully. The metaverse is still a work in progress. For it to become a mainstream part of our lives, several challenges must be addressed. Advances in hardware, faster internet, and ethical regulations will be essential to creating a metaverse that's inclusive and user-friendly. In the future, we could see the metaverse reaching new heights by integrating with technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, or the Internet of Things, IoT. For example, AI could power intelligent avatars that feel more alive, while IoT could connect real-world objects with their digital counterparts in the metaverse. Think of a world where your physical reality and digital life merge seamlessly, making everything from work to entertainment more immersive. While it may still feel like science fiction, the metaverse is inching closer to becoming a part of everyday life. The metaverse is an exciting and ambitious vision of how humans might interact in the digital age. It promises immersive experiences, new ways to connect, and opportunities to rethink how we live and work. While there's still a long way to go, the foundations are already being built today. By understanding what the metaverse is and how it works, you're preparing yourself for a future that may soon feel like science fiction come to life. The possibilities are endless, and this is only the beginning of the journey into the metaverse. Are you ready to step inside? Please like and subscribe for more content like this.